Hey fancy friends, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm gonna go and my boyfriend's calling me right now. Honestly, so it is super late right now. I'm gonna post this video in a couple of hours because I do things at the very last minute, and I've been super duper busy these past days with Etsy, with Lord have mercy. I mean, thank you so much for everybody that's been supporting me on this Etsy journey. It's literally insane. It's a lot. I thought it was easy. I thought it was, I mean, shipping out plants, it's pretty easy, but it's very time consuming. So as you can see, I'm gonna go and share with you guys my favorite houseplants of just, I don't know if it's this month, but these plants are just making me super duper happy. And I just got one at the very last minute because it brought me memories of like back then. It's thriving and it's pushing out a new baby. So yeah, if you're new, hi, welcome to Houseplants channel. It's all about houseplants. If you enjoy that, continue watching and maybe consider subscribing and joining us on this crazy planty journey. So I guess we can start. I guess I'll start with the most exciting one. This is the Burley Marks Regatta philodendron, and you guys, it is doing super good. My teeth look super white. I'm using my studio lights, and like I said, it's like really dark, so I had to like put both of my studio lights on, and the room is super duper white, so I feel like that's why my teeth look super white right now. Anywho, so you guys, it's like, yeah, like look how beautiful and variegated it's doing. By the way, all of these plants are outside on the bottom of a tree. They'll be placed in a greenhouse. I'm working with somebody and talking to somebody if he can build me a greenhouse to put all these babies inside. But this one is starting to like, I don't know how you call it. Like it's starting to like develop nodes, I guess you can say, which means I can chop it up. Now I was posting it on Instagram, like this is like just a pure green leaf, and even then I find it so beautiful and it's super duper shiny. And here's another one that's very variegated and just beautiful, joining life, just living her life. And there is so much new leaves. Like here's one, here is another one, and there is one over here, and here is another one like coming in. Oh, this one's gonna be so variegated. This yellow one over here, like I said, it's been outside for a while, and I feel like that's just been giving it more light. Obviously it's outside, which just makes me super duper happy. And it's just like, it looks so good. Like it literally looks amazing. People were telling me if I'm gonna like do cuttings and ship them out, or put them on the Etsy store, and to be honest, I don't know. I would love to like give away cuttings, you know, like that, but at the same time I think it's smarter to make like at least another mother plant, just to have like build up my stock, I guess you can say, and then ship out some cuttings. Or even then down the line, once I have the greenhouse, I'm gonna transition from shipping out plant cuttings to shipping out rooted plant cuttings, like in 2-inch pots, which will make them last longer in transit and just will help me not stress about shipping out plants, because shipping out cuttings is a little bit tricky and scary. But damn, look at that leaf. It's literally so gorgeous. Like I don't understand how something this beautiful is so easy to look after. Like damn, like look at that big chunk of yellow variegation. I love this plant. I love it so much. It makes me so happy because it's doing so good, and usually I kill plants. So yes. Next one is going to be this pink illusion that we got at River Gardens, which even then I am so mind blown that I got this at River Gardens. Like it's literally insane, and it was only one. So I don't know, and I don't know if like they just stocked them and then sold out within like hours, because I was there like 2 days before and they didn't have it, and then I went 2 days after that and there was only one. So it's literally insane. I don't even know if they posted on Instagram stories, but this was a pink illusion. What am I sharing? It's not, y'all, it's really late. It's not pink illusion, it's pink splash Singularium. And look at this beautiful leaf. When I bought it, it didn't have that much variegation, and I had it inside, and it wasn't, you know, lights need much. Some plants, because me actually ended up doing a video about variegation and I saw it, so some plants do reflect variegation considering how much light they get, but some of them don't. But this one does, I think so, because like as I was giving it more light, it's been putting out more leaves. Like look at this small baby leaf. It's a brand new leaf, and it looks super splashy. And before, it was putting out these really sad green which it's still beautiful, but like no variegation. And now it's putting out these leaves, these new leaves. What is that? Oh, it's like a little spider web, I guess. Like I said, these are outside, you guys. Look at that. Look at these splashy. And there are some that are, okay, this looks a bit interesting. I think it's an old leaf. Yeah, this is one of the oldest leaves. I was about to say, like, that is not pink, it's like a different color, but it's starting to fade away. But here's, like, this is one of the other ones. Cute little splash over here. And this is another one of the newest ones. And look at it. Do y'all see the more pinkish? And now it's putting out, this is a new one that's starting to unfurl. Look at it, you guys. This is why I collect plants. This is why I love having plants in my life, because this foliage. My mom was like, you don't even like the flowers, you just like the leaves. And I'm like, yes, and in Spanish it's called hojas. I love me some good hojas. I love me some good leaves. The beautiful variegation makes me super duper happy. And I do want to get something to climb on. By the way, I did end up chopping it over here. You guys can see the little chop right there. And I made another one. And it's also thriving, which ended up succeeding on propagating. So I ended up making, I have another Singularium that I'm gonna go and show, that I've also just literally chopped like a couple of days ago. But the other ones are pretty good, it's outside. And now since I ended up chopping it, it started to get a little bit more bushy. Like when I got it, it only had like 3 or 4 leaves, and now like look at this. And again, it got chopped, so I'm super duper happy at it. Next one, I guess this one. This is the one that I just got. I mean, this has been like the longest with me. It also had babies, and I ended up making a lot of babies. But I just got it, like literally adding it to the list when I was outside getting these other plants. And it's pushing out a little cute, oh my god. It's pushing out this cute little baby, as you guys can see right there. This was a gift from an Etsy seller, and it was one of my first times buying plants on Etsy. And it was like 2 years ago, I think so. It was like a small little baby, and look how big it has gotten. Beautiful, beautiful variegation. I think it's called the Regatta Aloe Vera. And oh, look at this leaf, like the attitude and the sass of it, like a high heel. Slay queen. Literally so beautiful. Look at the bottom of the markings. Now there are some aloe veras that are variegated, but they're like chubby. This one's like long, I don't know, but I've never really seen this kind of aloe vera, so it makes me super duper happy. I'm honestly getting into succulents and a little bit into cacti, but I'm really getting into succulents. So in the spring, I'm gonna buy some succulents and have like a cute little succulent garden outside. So that's super excited. I'm super duper excited to get into that, because I think succulents are fun when you have them outside. When they're inside, it's a different story, Miss Madam, but when they're outside, it's fun. And they're super duper fun to propagate as well. But beautiful variegated aloe vera was a gift, has been with me for like, I think already 2 years. And I don't know, it makes me super happy because this was in our first apartment, 410. And it brings a lot of memories. It's been with us for so long. My boyfriend's looking at me, but like, I got a park for 10. It was like a little, right? Remember? It was a gift. Well, I think I bought it, but he did place some gifts in there. But I'm a little bit emotional. Next one. Okay, so this one has been like a huge favorite, and this was on an Urban Jungle pot, and I've never seen it from Costa Farm until now. They've been having this one and these small little pots, which I literally just bought one of them. If you guys seen the other shopping videos that I posted back then, y'all saw that they're selling them now in small little pots, very affordable, and the most so healthy, big leaves. But I'm so happy with my baby over here. I got some from my Urban Jungle, ended up repotting it to this cute little terracotta pot, and it's my lemon philodendron. I think it's beautiful. I really do love this like bright neonish leaves. It's very, very beautiful, very easy to look after, vines very beautifully. This is why I love philodendrons. They just look so gorgeous, especially like in a terracotta pot. Like I said, it's super fun to propagate. I think these are amazing for beginners. It's so gorgeous. Oh, look at this leaf. I got a little bit of an attitude. So this is my first one that I've ever had. And I'm gonna show you the new little baby that I got. This is a new one. And I'm telling myself not to buy any more plants that I already have, because I can already propagate them, and especially that one is just super duper easy to propagate. But when I saw this leaf, it's reverting back. But when I saw this, I was like, it's speaking to me, it's screaming at me, it wants to be my bestie. Like, I needed this, I needed it. It's just, it's so gorgeous. And I also noticed there's this little leaf over here with this like little pink, oh my god, with this little stripe that's like dark green. I think that's beautiful. Like, I swear, if there's like a plant and like this other leaf like right next to it, the slightest green over here like on the edge. What am I doing? Can y'all see that? No, you guys can see my acne like not like insane, but I'm not saying, I'm not making any sense. But look at this thing, I don't believe it, I'm ready. Now I will be taking a picture of this and maybe make it into a frame or make it into another shirt, which by the way, this is on my, I guess you can say merch, but I ended up designing this and I took some plant cuttings from my personal collection. They were my favorites, and yeah, a lot of you guys do seem to like them. Polka dot begonia, radiculatia, golden pothos, a rubber tree, arisoniae, scindapsus, Regatta maranta, lemon amaranta, and a pothos andrew, I believe. But people really do seem to like these shirts. I'm gonna make another one of this one. And I was thinking like be uniquely different or something like that. I don't know. I'm so cliche, but I think it's beautiful. I love it. It makes me happy. And it was for $4.98, not including tax. But God, you guys, look at that leaf. How is that even possible? Like, how did nobody saw this and was like, I need it? Like, or he just didn't took it home. Like I said, it's not like really variegation. Like, it's trying to revert back supposedly, and it's not stable like at all. Even though like there is a stripe on its stem, but it's not gonna happen with the other leaves. It's just like a one-time thing. But it's beautiful. I love it. Alrighty, and last but not least is going to be the Singularium Boutique, and this one has been outside, been doing super duper good. It was on a different pot. It was like in a glazed pot. It wasn't liking it at all, and the potting and the potting mix that it was on, it was really bad. I ended up repotting it on this plastic one, but some really better potting mix. There's a potting mix from Walmart. It's so good. I'm obsessed with it, and like even my mom uses it. And there's like sometimes like you see like mushrooms, that's what they're called, that grow in the soil, and that's usually like an indication the soil is healthy. And the plants seem to thrive out of it. So yeah, I ended up repotting it in that potting mix. Look at this leaf. It looks a lot like a white butterfly Singularium, but this is a Singularium Boutique. Just living its life. This leaf is literally like insane, like how insane it looks. Look at this one. But yeah, I ended up placing a stick in here because it was very flimsy, but as y'all can see, like it's very firm now, which makes me super duper happy. And this is where I ended up cutting it because I want to make another one. And then once my backup guy roots, I will have 2 mother plants, and I might make another mother plant, and then after that I'll start giving away cuttings like on those mystery boxes that I have on my Etsy store that I already sold out. I had like 20 in stock and they're already sold out, literally insane. But I will be adding this, and I've been getting some messages of like requests of me making some mystery boxes of uncommon plants, which I don't really have uncommon plants, I think so, but down the line I would like to invest on some so I can give and add them to those mystery boxes. But down the line we're gonna be doing that. But this is one that I ended up propagating. It's a little bit bad, but I'm hopeful. And yeah, but look at this huge leaf. Like, look at that. It is huge. And then look at this other one. As y'all see, it is getting lots of light. Like, damn guys, look at that. Beautiful. And then it's putting out another little guy. Super duper happy. So that's basically it on all the houseplants that are making me super duper happy. Again, sorry for not posting and being consistent. I've just been super duper busy, and I don't want to rush on a video and just put it out there if I'm not like proud of it. But yeah, thank you so much for sticking with me, and also thank you so much for everybody that's been supporting me on Etsy. Like that is just, it's insane. I'm beyond grateful to be part of this amazing plant community. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up to let me know so I can make more videos like this one. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing to join this planty journey with us, and let me know which is your favorite houseplant at the moment. So, like, which are the houseplants that are just making you super duper happy and just it's giving you like little butterflies in your stomach. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Something positive to each and every single one of y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.